Okay, I'm going to let X be the number of sweaters sold during the sale, and that's what we're trying to find. They also tell me that a store sold each sweater, so the price of a certain type, for $30 more than the store's cost to produce. So price equals cost plus 30. Now that's given. All right, so we can use that information with both clues. Clue 1. During the sale, the total revenue, where revenue is number of items sold times the price. So the revenue would be X times the price with this, which is cost plus 30. And they tell me that was 270. All right. Well, I'm trying to find X, but I've got two variables, so I can't find X because I have C. And then 2, during the sale, the store sold each of the sweaters at a price that was 50% greater than the store's cost. So the price was, you took the cost and you increased it by 50% of the cost. So the price was 1.5 times the cost. And I'm trying to find X, and there's nothing in that clue about X. So that doesn't work. Now let's see if we can't put both together and get somewhere. So we can take price, which is let me change colors. Price, which is 1.5C, and plug it in there. So I have 1.5C equals C plus 30. And I can solve this for C. I'm not going to take time to do it because we don't have to. Solve for C, but we could. And then substitute that number in there, and you can solve for X. So if you put both clues together, it works. Answer is C.